Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on some Halloween carvings. I've got this whole pile here of stuff and I need to make some pumpkins, some Halloween pumpkin men, maybe some scary faces, jack-o'-lanterns, all that sort of stuff. So I'm on a limited time today, so I don't know if we're going to get them to completion, but we're at least going to get some stuff roughed out. I've got all these saws lined up, the 170, 250, 271, the 193. The one thing I did forget though is a dime tip bar. So here at the carving yard I don't have any power, so I can't use power tools, but the plan is to block out as much as I can, and I'll show you guys where I'm at once we're complete. Now I did get a few pieces done before I decided to video it. There was this quick pumpkin, kind of got this face in a creepy old looking tree, and another pumpkin just sort of sitting on a root base. These things will get detailed, you know, once we can get back to the shop where I have power. Now if I have time today, we'll hopefully maybe get a couple pieces to completion, but we'll see what happens. For right now we're gonna just fire up the saws and start making some sawdust. So be sure to stick around, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let's get started.
Hey guys, thanks for being here at my channel, watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I really do. It means a lot. If you are new to chainsaw carving or you want to learn how to chainsaw carve some pumpkins or some bears, I've got all kinds of tutorials on this channel, guys. They are here to help you grow and learn how to chainsaw carve, grow your art, and you know, get better at it. Right here, hopefully I'll have a pumpkin carving video popping up in the top right hand corner of the screen. I'll have other links throughout the video to different tutorials that you guys can go and check out. The most important thing is if you're learning or you want to learn how to chainsaw carve, be sure to hit subscribe and give the videos a thumbs up. It's also cool to leave some feedback if you're looking for something what am I talking about? If you're looking for something specific or you need help with something as far as chainsaw carving goes, comment, let me know, and I'll work on getting a video together to help you out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, figured I'd just slow us down quick, show you guys where I'm at. It's been about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, knocked out a few pieces. Got 2 pumpkin faces here. Gotta grab the gouge and put the lines in them still. I got these few pieces here knocked out as well. Gotta detail them at the shop. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's keep going. Whew, it's been a day. So I didn't start carving till 12. It's now 4 o'clock on the dot. So a few pieces I had done before I started filming. I'm going to show you guys everything I just got done in 4 hours. Chainsaw work only. So we still gotta, get here, B. We still gotta go back, do power tools, paint, and all that kind of stuff to clean these guys up. But this is what we're looking at. All these carvings. We got some medium-sized pumpkins. We got one large one facing a spooky tree. This would be a pumpkin head man with a scary face. Another face in a tree. We got a pumpkin in a hollow. Scary pumpkin guy. Stacked 3 carved pumpkin faces and a couple other little ones. So I don't even know, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pumpkins. That one makes 16 pumpkins. The long stemmed ones, we're going to do some real detail work on those stems, really carve them up with the Saburrtooth burrs. Hey, if you guys are still watching, just so you guys know, from now to the end of the year, you can use code HALL10 at saburrtooth.com and save a little bit of money on your next purchase, guys. Saburrtooth, that's what I run. I really do like their tools a lot, and if you guys like using them too, you might as well use the code and save yourself a few bucks on that next order. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm late to the game this year. So much stuff going on, orders. I mean, look at this. Look at that guy. This is a video in the works right here, this Big Bear order video. But so much going on, I'm just behind on my pumpkin orders. So I'm hoping to get this stuff knocked out. Now, if things go to plan and I can get these all cleaned up and done, we'll do another video cleaning them up and putting some paint on them and just finishing them and things. And if not, I'll at least maybe go live or something and you guys can see them all completed. So I'm hoping to get them wrapped up those, you know, in the next couple days and get them out to the store they got to go to. So anyway, if you guys are still here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, believe it or not. When you give a video a thumbs up, it helps share it through that YouTube algorithm. And even if you leave an encouraging or comment, let me know what you guys think. That also helps videos get out through YouTube and get shared. And you know, if you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe. Also, I want to mention, guys, I'm working on getting merch. I've said this, I had the merch shelf up. YouTube for some reason glitched and took it down. That should be appearing beneath videos, or it'll be a store tab up on my channel. But I've got some merch coming in. I'll be wearing in videos once I get it, so you guys can check that out. Look for links for tools and things that I use through Amazon. You guys buy through those links, that help support the channel. And thank you to all my members, really appreciate you guys. Also, the 10,000 subscriber giveaway items have been sent out, except for one person. Got to go back, watch that video, see if you were the winner, because I still have not received a shipping address from one winner. Person that won the Wen rotary tool. Got to get back to me. All right, guys, have an awesome day. I got to get cleaned up, get home, get some dinner. Have an awesome night. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.